guys, I'm going to show you the tutorial for shaker card. So let us begin. The materials required are pastel sheet, scissors, scale, pencil, compass, glue, transparent sheet, double-sided foam tape, acrylic color, glitter, beads. Take a pastel sheet of dimensions 18 cm into 12 cm and apply some water on this sheet. Now color it with pen color, leaving the boundaries. Keep it aside for drying. Take another sheet of dimensions 21 into 17 cm and fold it into half. Now on the back side of the sheet, draw a circle with radius 4.5 cm. And cut out the circle neatly with the help of scissors. Now take the transparent sheet and measure it to fit the circle completely. And then cut this too. And now paste this on the inner side around the circle. And then apply glue to the rest of the sheet to paste it too. Now see both the sheets. If some color is visible from the sides, then cover it with strips as shown. Now you may write something or decorate this card according to you. the double-sided tape on the back side of the sheet. Make sure you cover the boundaries of the circle completely. Now put the beads and glitters on the base sheet where the circular part will come and spread them a little. Now remove these paper from the double-sided tape. And now paste this carefully on the base sheet. The shaker card is ready. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.